The Granitestone 8-inch nonstick frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It makes cooking easier. Food slides right off its surface. This means less scrubbing for you. The navy blue color looks nice. It will fit in with most kitchen styles. This pan is also dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. The 8-inch diameter is perfect for smaller portions. You can cook eggs or grilled cheese sandwiches easily. This Granitestone 8-inch non-stick frying pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook perfectly. The non-stick surface of the Granitestone 8-inch non-stick frying pan is a game changer. It's like having a magic surface. Food doesn't stick, and that's a big plus. You can use less oil when you cook. This makes your meals healthier. Unlike some older pans with Teflon, this one is different. It's made with a ceramic coating. Many people have given it good recommendations. It feels sturdy and well made. This pan can even be used on induction cooktops. That makes it very versatile for different kitchens. If you are looking for a reliable non-stick pan, this is a good choice. The Granitestone 8-inch non-stick frying pan offers convenience and performance. It simplifies cooking, and cleanup is quick. While it might not help you explore careers in Brazil or manage your computer photos from your last week's trip, it will certainly make cooking your daily meals much simpler. It's a solid, no-fuss cooking pan. It does exactly what it promises without any exaggeration. Pros: non-stick, easy food release, simple cleanup, induction ready, for kitchen use, good for cooking, ceramic coating, dishwasher safe, navy blue color 8-inch size. Cons: bottom might warp, uneven heating, handle not solid, can be heavy, coating may peel, not fully flat base, needs a lid. Sold sep. Metal utensils. Scratch features: non-stick 8-inch, frying pan, skillet, induction pan, kitchen pans, cooking pan, ceramic pan, dishwasher safe, navy blue. This is an 8-inch frying pan made by Granitestone. It has a non-stick surface, so food won't stick to it while you're cooking. It can be used on different kinds of stoves, even induction ones. You can use it to cook many things in the kitchen. It's also safe to put in the dishwasher to clean. The pan is a navy blue color. This 8-inch navy blue Granitestone frying pan is designed for easy cooking and cleanup thanks to its ceramic non-stick coating and induction-ready base. It's dishwasher safe and suitable for general kitchen use. However, some users have reported potential issues such as the bottom warping, uneven heating, a handle that may not be completely solid, a heavier weight, the coating possibly peeling over time, and a base that might not sit perfectly flat. Keep in mind that a lid is sold separately and metal utensils could scratch the surface.